Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and
Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing a DH Lulu haul, and I love doing these videos because I don't want to say all of my Lulu pieces are from Dhgate, but a big chunk of my wardrobe and my workout collection has been from DH, and I absolutely love the quality of their Lulu pieces. I've talked about this at work and people think it's absolutely crazy. Last month, I really injured my leg during a spin class. I literally sliced it open on the pedal because my foot came out of my shoe. Long story short, I was wearing too big of a pair of shoes on the bike and I wasn't completely strapped in all the way tight. My foot slipped out and I sliced my leg open. So I was wearing my Lulu leggings from DH and they were brand new. It was my first time wearing them. They did not at all rip. There's no rips at all in these leggings. I am like amazed and like completely shook because you guys should have seen my leg. My leg was completely sliced open to the point where I probably needed stitches. I even ended up getting a tetanus vaccine, you guys. Like, that's how serious it actually was, and my leggings did not rip. So if that tells you at all how the quality is going to be with these pieces, like honestly, I don't know if Lulu, you know, from the store Lulu pieces would actually hold up that well, because I was so amazed. So yeah, I always tell that story when it comes to quality. People are kind of a little bit wary about how the quality is going to be, but I'm telling you guys, it's absolutely amazing. If you guys want to know more, by the way, if you guys want to see these types of videos more consistently and that's all you want from me, definitely check me out on Patreon. I do have a free trial going right now, so you can get a week for free, binge watch my videos, and if you decide you like me, you can stick around. My link is always in the description box below for my Patreon, and if you want to know anything else, you know, you can check me out on Instagram, my Instagram bio, or just send me a DM. But yeah, let's get right into this haul video. So I do have a few pieces that I picked up because I'm going traveling really soon. I haven't really talked about this with you guys just yet, but I am going to Asia. I'm going to Japan and I'm going to the Philippines March 18th. I'm really stressing about it because I don't have enough content edited and filmed to last me that 3 weeks, and this is going to be like my first time ever taking time off from YouTube. So I'm a little bit nervous about that, but I know you guys will understand at the same time. So let's get right into the haul video. I've been talking for a while now. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's get right into this. So I picked up a bunch of these, which are these cropped tank tops, and I don't know the name of these because this particular person that I bought these from, they don't come with the tags, which is a little bit annoying, but it's my friend's favorite seller and I go to them all the time because they have amazing colors and the quality of their pieces is absolutely amazing. I've talked about this on Patreon. The quality of their pieces is like old school, early 2000s Lulu when they were like a small company in Vancouver, and the quality of their pieces like actually reflected in their prices. You guys know what I mean? So like their prices now are pretty much the same. I would say a little bit more, maybe like their leggings and stuff are $120. Not as thick material as it used to be. I remember wearing Lulu back in high school and their pieces were just absolutely amazing quality. And these days it's kind of hit or miss. So this seller has amazing quality. It just definitely feels like thick, really good quality Lulu stuff, and I absolutely love these. Got into the style because of my friend Vanessa. Hey girl, I absolutely love this style now, and I love that it's so simple. It's not like the, what is it called, the Align tanks. These are more just chill, and I feel like I could just incorporate these into my regular wardrobe and it doesn't just have to be a gym or hiking fit. So it's just basically a crop tank and the logo is there on the back if you guys were wondering. And this particular color is called Quicksand Powder, and I absolutely love it. It is kind of like a mauvey pink, and it's gonna go so great with black biker shorts. So, and the best part of this, it's a crop tank, but it does have a sports bra built in. You guys, I absolutely love that. So it does have 2 layers. It has the sports bra and then the tank, so you don't even have to bother finding a bra for this. So yeah, I got these in a size large. If you guys were wondering, I did size up with these, and I think you do need to size up with this particular seller's pieces. So I also got it in black, and it looks like this, plain and simple. This would go good with, you know, brighter colored leggings or anything like that. That's how the logo looks on the back. And these are out of their bags because I have washed these already. These are ready for me to travel in. I saw this color on the model and I was like, I'm just curious. I really like that color. I have nothing like it. So I picked it up and it looks like this. So it's just I think I would describe this as like a terracotta clay type color. It's very different, but it is still a neutral color. So if you're more into like warm tone neutral type pieces, you're not so much into beige, but you're into like slightly like elevated beige, I think you would definitely like this color. So this one is called Red Smoke, and it's the same style as the 2 first pieces that I showed you guys. The logo is here on the back. I just can't get over the quality of these. They're so like thick and such great quality. So that is the Red Smoke one. Okay, and then I got 2 more pieces. So I got 5 things total. I got mostly tops though. So this is from my regular seller, which I love, and I got the biker shorts. So I have a pair of these already. I have them in black already, but I needed another pair just so I have 2. I think I might even buy like a 3rd pair eventually for the summer, but I absolutely love these biker shorts. They are so comfortable. And again, it's one of those pieces that can go, you know, with everyday life, or you can just wear these for hiking in the gym. It's one of those more versatile pieces, I would say. So this one actually does come with the full tags and everything like that. So this is the Wonder Train high rise short, and I got it in a size 4, which is my true size. I feel like this seller is more accurate when it comes to sizing. I never have to size up. I am exactly what my size is at Lulu. And these also feel absolutely amazing. They are so thick and such great quality. So that's what they look like right here. We have 1 more piece to go. I love this one. So I did more research because I wanted to look up prices and all of that stuff. And this is regularly $68 or something like that. And I paid $27 or $26 for this. This is called the Ebb to Street RB Crop Tank. RB ribbed crop tank. So what I like about this particular style is exactly what it says. It's, you know, you go from the yoga studio or the gym to real life, and you could just, it's so versatile that you could do either or. This doesn't just have to be a gym top. It doesn't just have to be a activewear top. You can definitely transition this into regular wardrobe, regular life. And the best part again with this is it does have a sports bra built in, and I did get my true size. I got this in a size 8. I am a size 8 at Lulu in the tops, and I'm a size 4 in their bottoms. So this definitely came true to size, and the quality again is absolutely amazing. Super thick, really, really beautiful. I already have this in like a bubblegum pink, and I absolutely love it so much that I picked it up in this powder blue, sky blue color. It is really, really pretty. So this is what it's called, and if you guys want to pause and read that, you can. It does come with the full tags as well. And yeah, that is all for my haul. I do hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you have any questions or if you want to check me out on Patreon, that is all in the description box as well. Okay guys, so welcome to the try on portion of the video. I'm really hoping that it's not too shadowy in here. The lighting kind of looks weird, but I tried on the first fit for you guys. I only have 1 pair of pants for this video, right? Because I only bought the 1 pair of biker shorts, but basically I'm going to be wearing the same biker shorts with all of the tops, and I'm going to show you guys how they all look. So the first color is in the color Quicksand Powder. These tops are just so comfortable, and I will kind of adjust myself and like back up and all of that stuff. So this is what it looks like with the biker shorts. As you guys can see, I have a little bit of a ways to go with my weight loss / fitness journey. I have a ways to go, but this still actually looks pretty good. It doesn't look like not flattering, so it is a little bit more fitted than I would want it to be, but I don't know if it would look weird if it was like a size bigger or something like that. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It is like the perfect length for a cropped tank, and then the biker shorts actually fit really well as well. So I will back up and show you guys the full fit. Okay, so let's move on to the next fit. Okay, so moving on to the black one. I would say that I would probably wear this with a different color of shorts if I'm wearing biker shorts, or a different color of leggings. I have a lot of colorful leggings that I could wear with these, but the black with the black kind of too matchy, where it's kind of giving like leotard vibes. So I'm not like a huge fan of this fit. But I'm showing you guys the top, and the top is really cute. I love it in black. So I'll move back to show you guys what it looks like. So that is the black top. Let's move on to the next fit. Okay, so I decided to kind of break it up and show you guys the ebb tank next. Before we get into the other crop tank, I decided to go with this one next. I forgot that this is actually longer than the crop tanks. This is still definitely cropped, but it is like on the longer side of cropped, which makes sense. It'll show a little skin if you are wearing just regular leggings. If you are wearing high-waisted anything, this is not going to show anything, but this is a really beautiful color, and I really do love the blue. I love my pink one, so I knew that I would love this one just as much. So I'll stand back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so that is the ebb tank. I always have that one Lulu tag on the back, always sticks out, which is so annoying, but it's all good. I absolutely love this one. I think I will be getting this in like all the colors. Like, no joke. I'll be getting this in black, I'll be getting this in peach, and I'll be getting this in like their emerald green color. Prepare to see me in this tank like forever, all summer long. So let's move on to the next fit. Okay, last fit. This is the red smoke top, and I absolutely love the way it looks with black leggings. Love it. So this color is just such a unique and beautiful terracotta color. I cannot wait to wear this in photos. Color, honestly, I would normally not go for. I think for brunettes, this would look so good. This would look so good on you. I don't know how well it goes with my hair or anything like that, but I think it is actually a really flattering color, and it looks really great with the black biker shorts. So I'll move back and show you guys the full fit. Okay, so that is all. I had so much fun filming this. I do love doing my, you know, try on haul videos. I just think that they're so fun. I wish I had my old setup in my bonus room. Well, I'll have that again one day, but I wish I had that setup available now just because the lighting is honestly better in there. But I do hope you guys enjoy this video regardless. And if you guys want to see these pieces in action, definitely follow me on Instagram because you will definitely see photos of me in every single one of these pieces. I promise you, by the time summer comes along. So that is all for this video. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you are interested in checking out my Patreon, that's always in the description box below as well. And I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye!
I let you